channel. Today, I'm filming on my iPhone right now because I gave my camera to my sister for her to use for some kind of video project. We are taking my pile of shit Dakota. Now we're gonna be just going down to my dad's shop really quick to get rid of all this garbage that I've accumulated over the past 2 weeks. We'll get this old fucking slug fired up here for you right now. Always gotta give her a couple blurps just to warm her up before she gets warmed up. All right, so you don't really see the Dakota too much on the channel so far, but a little bit of backstory with this. A lot of people ask me, okay, so you have this really nice black Cummins, why do you drive a truck that's worth not even $1,000 everywhere and do everything with it? Pretty much because I don't have to worry about this truck at all. It's just, it's a lot more enjoyable to drive than a show truck that attracts 100% of the police. It's the truth. So yeah, the black truck is nice, but this thing 100%. I bought it as a daily. I use it as a daily. I don't usually treat it nice. I never treat it nice. Literally rev limiter on cold starts, and this thing will die in my possession. I go ahead and back up to the good old dumpster there. Oh, made a little oopsie. See if I can make it backwards like this, right? Alright, that's done and over with. So I can kind of go over a couple of details about this truck. Yeah, the reason it's such a pile of shit, I actually bought it pretty nice. Hopefully you can hear me over the broken off header. It does have a massive exhaust leak. I'm doing like 5 miles an hour on a back road, so if you got anything to say about my seatbelt, you'll be alright. The header is pretty much broken right off from the downpipe. The ratchet strap, or the gas tank is pretty much held on by a ratchet strap. It is held on by a ratchet strap. The tires in the front are just about bald. I've gone through 4 sets of tires on the rear since I've owned it, which has only been about a year and a half. Just pretty much just burn them off whenever I get a chance. Take it off-roading, whatever. Headlights don't work. High beams do. Headlights don't work. My passenger side mirror, if you can see, it's just broken right off. I got caught in between a tree when we were taking it off-roading. The whole front quarter panel is destroyed also. The tailgate rusted off. Bed cover is coming apart. What else? The shocks are blown out. The headliner's falling down, which I could easily fix that. As you've seen, I've done headliner upholstery before in the past, and I just don't fix it because I don't fucking want to. So the future of this truck, the plan is to 100% keep it. I am planning on buying another daily here in a couple months. Come on, girl. Oh, it has no rear brakes either. Planning on buying a daily here in a couple months, and I'll keep this truck for garbage runs and shit like that, hauling wood or whatever I need it for. A new car should be coming, car or truck should be coming to the channel here in a couple months. Not sure exactly what it's going to be yet. Hopefully it's exactly what I'm thinking of, but hopefully I can find one for a good price, and hopefully I can stop saying fucking hopefully. But anyway, nonetheless, changes are always coming. Obviously, it's life. We're gonna go up to the house, see what's going on with the parents, and hopefully I can get my good camera back so I don't stop wasting, I can stop wasting storage on my fucking phone here. Alright guys, so I finally got my my good camera back, and we're changing plans today. We're actually going up to Josh's house. You guys saw Josh in one of the past videos, just very briefly. He's the one that we shot the guns with. So we're going up to his house right now, and just gonna hang out. We have something planned. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully I can make a video out of this, and if I don't make a video out of this, then you guys won't even see me saying this. So I'm at Josh's. There he is. First time back on camera in however long. Anyway, he got a new truck. You want to give us a quick rundown, buddy?
What do you want to know? Chevy Silverado Z71.
Nothing much.
Nothing fancy.
Well, the Z71's came on color maps. Jeez, this thing's like brand new. It smells new. Leaving the keys in it, as you should.
They want it, they'll take it anyways.
Yeah. All right, so we got the Dakota here. We also have fire extinguishers. I had this crazy idea about doing a mobile campfire, and we're gonna see how it turns out. It might not be mobile, but it could if it wanted to. I think we're just gonna park the truck over there in the yard. All right, so we got some chairs to enjoy our fine living after we get it lit up. We have a garden hose, and we have firewood and boxes to get started. Is this a good idea?
Is this?
Yeah.
Great idea.
The gas tank is like right there where that ratchet strap is. So we're gonna try and stay away from that side as much as possible just for safety reasons. I do not care about burning the truck to the ground, but for me and Josh's sake, I don't want it exploding. So I don't think it actually explode. It might catch on fire, help to fuel the fire a little bit.
Nice.
Sick. This is the gravel pile, if you can see it. I'm having a really hard time seeing the screen, but there's the gravel pile if you can see it. I'm gonna do a pretty decent sized layer in the back of the truck just to keep the bed as cool as possible, because you obviously don't want that metal heating up right next to that fuel tank. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be a good idea. That thing is sick looking though. For a $1,000 truck, that thing is mean. Bounce it.
You know your check engine light's on?
What?
You know your check engine light's on?
It's been on.
You should get that fixed.
Nah. Keep going. Keep going. Yep. All right, boys. I think we're gonna end up just leaving that fucking tonneau cover right on there. So if it does get out of hand, we got fire extinguishers, garden hose, and something to kind of help eliminate the oxygen flow. So we're gonna go ahead and start laying down some dirt here, and yeah, we're gonna empty the bed, get some dirt over here. Bed is filled with dirt, as you can see. We're having some audio issues. We put smoke bombs in the cab, which is rolling right now, and the audio is all up. So it's a boy. Hopefully we don't have that problem, and hopefully we can make a good video. But anyway, you can see the cab or the bed's full of dirt. Allie, this is not for infants. Shoot the water. Shoot the water. No, spray it. Atta girl.
I gotta work. My truck up to that and see if we can transfer the fire. Speed transfer. I'll drop my tailgate, you come down the hill backwards, hit mine, and slide the fire right into my truck.
Carly.
Allie's flexing.
Your baby just threw up. Thing looks just like Josh. That's disgusting. Wild child over here.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Mic check. Mic check. Testing. One.
All right, guys. So we built a fire in the back of my Dakota. My camera, you probably, all the clips I shot, you'll be able to see. But my mic is just being shitty. But the fire's almost out. Wasn't that intense. It got pretty big at one point, but now she's just pretty much simmering. We might just put her out with a hose, and this bedside is freaking hot. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah, that's nice and smoky. Yep, it's a mess. That is for sure. All right, so we wet the wood down. The truck's pretty much cleaned up. We do still have to offload the dirt, but take care of this wood, and might end up making a quick Walmart run to go get a new mic, because the mic on my camera decides it doesn't want to work anymore. So that might be a new objective for today. Right now, hopping in Josh's truck. Ooh, Jesus. Hop in Josh's truck. We're gonna go get a microphone for my camera because the one I got is just shot. We'll spend a few $100 and we'll be back and hopefully have a good night. All right, Josh, try a burnout, will you? Try a good old TC. I turned it off. All right, here we go. This one should work. Yeehaw, brother. Alright guys, so it's next day here. We're in my my black truck right now. No rear seats still. Yesterday kind of got cut short, way short. It didn't go at all as planned. My microphone on my camera, my good old trusted microphone I've had for 3 years. I've been through just about every project I've ever done. Bit the dust finally. So I'm driving back home right now. I just went and picked up this little guy right here. The same exact thing as what I had. Video mic Pro. So I can actually start using my good camera. I got a couple of clips on my good camera yesterday. The audio was just junk for the most part. I don't know what was wrong with it. I know this vlog has been kind of mostly talking, just letting you guys know what's going on. The whole Dakota thing yesterday was pretty fun. We ended up having a party last night, and that was fun. But just trying to get you guys content as much as possible because it's hard sometimes, especially with work. So, all right, guys, we are back. So, new windsock. Hopefully, that'll help with like the blown out audio, like with exhaust and stuff. I've noticed that in the past. I don't know how well it's gonna help, but it should help a little bit. I'll leave the truck on because I want to show you guys something after I swap cameras here. Alright, so I finally got my good camera back, got the new microphone rigged up here. I'm going to go over something with you guys I actually completely forgot to when I revealed the whole iPad dash. Pretty much exactly how everything else works besides the iPad. Like I showed you how the iPad worked and everything, but I didn't show you how we kind of rearranged everything. This little thing here, we had an idea of mounting it flush with this, covering this up so that pocket wouldn't be there, but we didn't end up doing that. He took it upon himself to hide the controls down in this little pocket here, which I like that way better. And the biggest thing I got on Instagram and Facebook or whatever after I posted this video was where are the controls for the climate controls? This little trick right here. Yep, they are in the glove box. Like I already said, this video, or this whole thing, kind of got messed up with the microphone and the camera and everything. Just, it's frustrating. Anyway, we kind of made it what it is. I don't know how long this video is even going to be, but mostly done. We'll be taking her. You should be seeing that in the next video. We'll be taking her down to Elite Customs again to finish it, 100% finish it. So there won't really be any more updates with that. Obviously more videos, but not too many more updates. She'll be done. Leather, tint, different audio. So close. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. It really helps the entire channel out. Hopefully we can get something rolling here. The more you guys interact with me and the channel and my Instagram, which is right here, we will we'll try and grow this thing together. Just make sure to keep watching, and I'll see you soon, guys. See you later.